giving us
giving us
today.
today.
Which students is mute? Bache, mute yourself. Whose voice is coming? Mute yourself. I can't find from here, but somebody is unmute. Mute yourself, everybody. Okay. Thank you for giving us good parents, teachers, and friends. As we are about to start our class, be with us so that we may understand whatever our teacher is going to teach us. Lord, bless our teacher also so that she may explain well. Amen. Relax yourself. Everybody sit in comfortably now. No preposition. Sit comfortably. Relax yourself. Sit comfortably. Now, today we have our English class. Today we have English class. In English class, last week we had started, in our last class we had started with stone soup. I had shared the story of stone soup with you. I had shared the story of stone soup with you. Today we are going to do the exercise of stone soup. So everybody is ready? Keep your books in front of you. Those who have their books, keep your books in front of you. So ready? Good. I'm also ready. Today we'll do the exercise from here. We have to, first of all, we have to do the revision of the story. So I will revise on my own. Henrik was a man. He was hungry. He went to a village. There he knocked a door and told the lady that he was hungry and he wanted to have some food. The lady said, I don't have any food. Henrik understood that the lady is lying. So he said, no problem, if you don't have any food, I have a magic stone with me. So I will make soup for you. The lady was surprised that stone soup? How can a stone make a soup? How is it possible to make soup with the help of a stone instead of any vegetable? So she said, okay, come in. She took her inside her kitchen. They put the pan on the flame on the gas. voice low. Wait a minute. Let me add this one. Okay, am I audible now? Is it still low? Very bad, whoever is spoiling the screen. Am I audible now? Okay, okay, thank you parents. Please no more comments. Thank you. So Henrik went inside the kitchen with the lady. They added some water in a pan and put the pan on the flame, on the gas flame. When we say flame, it means gas flame. They put the pan on the gas flame. Now, Henrik added some water in the pan. Samriddhi, very bad. Parents, please take care of your children. They're spoiling the screen. It is not the duty of teacher to speak every time. Please have control on your children. So what happened? They added some water in the pan. Henrik took a stone out of his pocket and put in the pan. You know, water was already there. So he put a stone inside the pan. The water started boiling. He tasted the soup and said it is tasty. But if we add some onions and salt, it will be more tasty. बड़ी कम आ रही है मैडम, मैं फुल वॉल्यूम में बोल रही हूँ, मेरे से ऊंचा क्लास में कोई नहीं बोलता है. प्लीज आप अपना देख लें, शायद आपकी तरफ से लो ना हो. प्लीज चेक. So the lady chopped some onions and added onions and salt to the soup. Now when onion and salt is added, so he again tasted the soup and said very good taste. But if we add, say mix the soup and he said if we add some potatoes it will be more tasty. So lady cut the potatoes and added into the pan. He again tasted. Ma'am, from my side I'm taking full volume. My volume is full from both the sides. Please check your microphones. I'm sorry. Please check your microphones. Now they added potatoes to the soup. So he said, if we add beans and tomatoes, it will be better. So he added beans and tomatoes. So finally the soup was ready. And he took out the spoon. He poured the soup into the bowl and served it to the lady. Both the lady and the man, Henrik, they enjoyed the soup. And the soup was actually tasty. Now he took out the spoon and gave it to the lady. He said, ma'am, now you can make soup with this magic stone. But when you make soup with magic stone, you can add salt, onions, tomatoes, potatoes, beans also. So how Henrik made a fool of that lady? Interesting, na? Okay. Now we have to put a tick on the correct statements and put a cross on the false statements. Let me read the question for you. Read the statements. Tick if it is true and cross if it is false. Number 1. Remember, we have to put a tick on the true statement and cross the false statement. No TF, no true false. Every time you have to read the question carefully and then you have to answer. Now, number 1. Henrik went to a village. It is true, so we'll put a tick here. Number 2 is the door was opened by a boy. When Henrik knocked the door, who opened the door? A woman opened the door. So the door was opened by a boy. It is false. So we have to put a cross in it. Number 3. Henrik was thirsty. Was he thirsty? No, he was hungry. He wanted to eat something. He wanted to have food. So Henrik was thirsty. It is wrong. We have put a cross in it. Number 4. The woman was ready to share food with Henrik. When Henrik told the woman that he was hungry, what did the woman say? She said, "No, I don't have any food." So when we say the lady was ready to share food with Henrik, it is false because she did not want to share the food. Number 5, the woman wanted to learn to make stone soup. Yes, she wanted to learn to make stone soup. So she took Henrik into the kitchen. She helped him out and definitely she learned to make stone soup. Number 6, Henrik put some corn in the soup. But when we went to the story, did you hear about the word corn? No, we did not use the word corn. So Henrik put some corn in the soup. It is false. We have to put a cross in it. So next question, question B is vegetables that Henrik used to make soup. Number 1, tomatoes. Did he use some tomatoes? Yes, he used tomatoes. So you can put a tick in the box. Number 2, beans. Yes, he used beans. Actually, he used tomatoes and beans in the last. So beans is also true. So we'll put a tick in beans. So next is number 3. You can turn the page of your book. If you're doing with me, you can put ticks along with me. You can do the exercise along with me. Okay. So number 3 is brinjal. Did he use brinjal? No, he did not use brinjal. So put a cross in the box next to it. Number 4, potatoes. Did he add potatoes to the soup? Yes, after onions, he added potatoes. Put a tick. Number 5 is carrots. Did he use carrots for soup? No, he did not use carrots. So it is false. So we put a cross in. Students, we have to tick tomatoes, beans and potatoes. And we have to put cross in brinjal and carrots. Okay. Now move down. Question C is discuss. Actually, we discuss in the class by I take answers from the students in the class, but here it's not possible. Students can share answers with their parents. Now read these lines from the story. Here are bold letters, bold line. We can read from the dark bold. I have a magic stone. I will make some stone soup for you. Okay, I will read it again. I have a magic stone. I will make some stone soup for you. Now, why do you think Henrik said these words to the lady? Discuss in class. Why do you think? आपको क्यों लगता है कि हेनरिक ने ऐसे क्यों कहा? Because हेनरिक को समझ आ गया था कि ये लेडी झूठ बोल रही है. She is lying. मैम मैंने स्पीकर बिल्कुल अपने मुंह के पास रखा हुआ है. You can hear even whispering with the speaker. और मैम मेरी वॉल्यूम भी फुल है. आई एम सॉरी, मेरी वॉल्यूम भी टोटली फुल है. मैंने सारा कुछ फुल पे रखा हुआ है. आई एम सॉरी पेरेंट्स, प्लीज अपना चेक कर लें बिकॉज नेटवर्क इज वेरी बिग इशू नॉट थोड़े दिन से नेटवर्क की बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम आ रही है एंड जूम में भी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. ओके, so why do you think Henrik said these words to the lady discussed in class? First of all, the lady did not want to share her food with Henrik, and Henrik was hungry, so he thought, I can make a fool of this lady. And by making a fool of the lady, he was able to make a soup, stone soup. Wait a minute. Thank you. Okay. So my next question is, बच्चे आपको यहाँ पे you are given the names of particular things. Sanchi, if the video is recorded by school, only then I can share. Otherwise not. So name the group to which each set of words belong. The first one is done for you. Bache, we are given three words in each row. So and we have to tell what are these like. Number one, read with me. Mango, apple, banana. Now what are mango, apple or banana? They are fruits. So there is written fruits. I hope you understand. Because mango, apple and banana are fruits. So their group's name is fruits and there is written in the blanks fruits. Number two, peacock, hen, sparrow. Now what is peacock, hen and sparrow? Which family do they belong to? Which group do they belong to? They are all birds. So we'll write in the blanks opposite to them birds. Okay, thank you, Avnur. Number three, rose, sunflower, lotus. To which group do they belong? Rose, sunflower, lotus? Yes, they all belong to flower family. They are all flowers. Very good. So we'll write here flowers. Next one is zebra, goat, tiger. So zebra, goat and tiger, what are they? Which family, which group do they belong to? They belong to the group of animals. So against them we'll write animals. Okay? Okay, I got the answers. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Now move down, understanding rules. So students, I have to share with you something. When you are taking one book, you are saying book. And we are taking a 2-3 book, what do you say? Books. You don't say book. You don't say books. You say book. You say books. अगर एक पेंसिल है, you say pencil. अगर आपके पेंसिल बॉक्स में एक से ज्यादा है, तो you say pencils. So, अगर one thing है, तो उसके लिए हम S नहीं लगाते, ज्यादा है तो उनके लिए हम S लगाते हैं. कई बार ES भी लगता है. जो one होता है, we call it singular, and the more is called plural. Like in your book, you can see. I will not read the full sentence for you here. I am just going to tell you. In the first line, there is written book in the red color. It is highlighted. It is very clear. And in the second line, it is written books. So book is singular. One book. Books mean many books. Books means many books. Now come down. Elephant. Move down in the next line. Elephants means one elephant, many elephants. हाँ, इसके पहले लिखा भी है. हर एक के पहले लिखा है. Many books, many elephants. Because there are many, so we'll write elephants and books. Now book and elephant. Now move down. Boy. Boy is singular. It is written boy. And it is plural. It is written boys. हमारा महाजन आप अभी भी फ्रूट्स पे अटके हैं बेटा. I am teaching the next topic and you are still at fruits. So I want to read the last two sentences. The boy is sitting on the chair. So one boy is sitting on the chair. In the next line, we are saying the boys are playing football. When there is are, it means many. It means many boys are playing football. In the first sentence, it is one boy sitting on the chair. In the second sentence, the boys are playing football means many boys are playing football. When we have to make the plural, we add S to the naming word. Now do the exercise with me. Number one, the child is, yes, you read with me. The child is reading a dash. What do you see in the picture? What the child is reading? Yes, book. The child is reading a book. Number 2. In the second picture, you can see there are 4 children, means more than one, because there are more than means many children. But when we do singular plural, more than one means many. जब एक से ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं, it means many. So we'll write the children are reading dash. What are the children reading? Books. So because there are more children, one child, one book, and more children, they are reading more books. Number 3. The dash are shining in the sky. In the next picture, you can see stars, many stars. So these are many stars. In the blanks, we will write the stars. We'll write stars, not star. Here we'll write stars. The stars are shining in the sky. Number 4. I saw a dash in the sky. I saw a dash in the sky. So there is only one star in the picture. So we'll write here, I saw a star in the sky. One star means only star, not stars. Number 5. This is a kite. This is a kite. Number 6. The boys are flying dash. The boys are flying dash. There are more than one kite. So we'll write kites. We'll write here kites. The boys are flying kites. So we move down. We have to do more singular and plural. बच्चे अभी हमने ऊपर किया सिर्फ s लगाना है. But in some cases we have to write es also. कुछ में plural करने के लिए हम es भी लगाते हैं. उसमें क्या है, जिनके लास्ट में o होता है, जिनके लास्ट में s होता है, जिनके लास्ट में x होता है. जरूरी नहीं है कि o के बाद हर बार es आए, बट समटाइम अभी हम एग्जांपल्स करेंगे जिनके लास्ट में ch आता है, sh आता है. नाउ कम डाउन. मैं जहां पे जूम कर रही हूँ, विल रीड फ्रॉम हियर ओनली. बेंच. बेंच लास्ट में रेड कलर में ch है ना, तो क्योंकि इसके लास्ट में ch है तो विल राइट हियर बेंचेस. विल राइट हियर बेंचेस. ch है तो लास्ट में es आया बेटा. ch पे खत्म हो रहा है तो लास्ट में क्या आया है, es. So next one is bush. bush. Next one is bosh bush. अब क्योंकि लास्ट में sh है तो हम लास्ट में लगा रहे हैं es. bush bush. तो बुश के बाद क्योंकि लास्ट में sh है तो उसको प्लूरल ज्यादा करने के लिए, शो करने के लिए हम उसके आगे लगाते हैं es bushes. Now we have here potato. Potato is ending at o. Potato is ending at o. Because it is ending at o, तो इसके लास्ट में क्या लगेगा प्लूरल के लिए, es. Potatoes like tomatoes. So es लगेगा. Next is bus. तो लास्ट में बेटा किस में आ रहा है, हमारा खत्म हो रहा है s पे. बस हमारा किस पे खत्म हो रहा है, s पे. क्योंकि जो लास्ट में s होता है तो उसका प्लूरल क्या होता है, es. उसका प्लूरल क्या होता है, es. बसेस. अब देखो कई बार होता है o के बाद नहीं भी लगता है. यहाँ पे बॉक्स भी है, सभी लोग बॉक्स है, ये खत एंड हो रहा है x पे, इसका लास्ट लेटर है x. जब x लास्ट होता है तो प्लूरल के लिए फिर भी हम es लगाते हैं, बॉक्सेस. बॉक्सेस. ओके. अब मैंने जैसे आपको बताया कि जरूरी नहीं है कि लास्ट में o हो तो es लगता है. जैसे कैंगरू है, कैंगरू में लास्ट में डबल o आ रहा है तो फिर भी इसके बाद लास्ट में s लगता है, कैंगरूज. नेक्स्ट है फोटो. फोटो के लास्ट में o है तो जब हम प्लूरल करते हैं तो ये फोटोज हो रहा है, लेकिन इसके साथ s लग रहा है. जैसे हमने अभी रूल किए थे ना ऊपर कि ओ पे फिनिश होता है, लास्ट लेटर ओ है तो यहाँ पे ES आएगा, बट हमेशा ऐसे नहीं होता, इंग्लिश में रूल्स चेंज होते हैं. नो फोटोज, इट इज रॉन्ग बेटा. दक्षित, इट इज रॉन्ग. Look at the screen. It is written here PHOTOS photos. पेरेंट्स प्लीज बच्चों को रीडिंग मैक्सिमम करवाया करिए, मैक्सिमम रीडिंग. बच्चे अगर टॉफी भी खाते हैं तो उसका नाम पढ़ाइए. बच्चे अगर बिस्किट खाते हैं तो बच्चों को बिस्किट का नाम भी रीड कराइए. बच्चों को हर चीज रीड करने की आदत होनी चाहिए. रोड पे जाते हैं कुछ लिखा है वो रीड करने की आदत होनी चाहिए. ओके, चलिए बेटा, we'll do more now exercise. Book, books, only S. If you want to write, you can write with me. Book. No, Myra Mahajan, this is wrong spelling of photos. बेटा आप ध्यान से नहीं पढ़ रहे हो, मैम क्या पढ़ा रही है. स्क्रीन पे मैं आपको PHOTOS दिखा रही हूँ और आप यहाँ पे फिर मुझे ES दिखा रहे हैं. You are not listening carefully. Tell your mama to accompany you during class. चलिए, जितनी स्पेस है मैं इसमें लिखने की कोशिश करती हूँ. ओके, हमारा फर्स्ट है बुक का हम लिखेंगे बुक्स. बेटा यू ऑल्सो राइट इन योर बुक्स बुक्स. नेक्स्ट इज ब्रश. ब्रश का प्लूरल आएगा ब्रशेज. द प्लूरल ऑफ ब्रश विल बी ब्रशेज. अब जो टी पे खत्म हो रहा है ब्लैंकेट, इट विल बी ब्लैंकेट्स. ब्लैंकेट्स. नेक्स्ट इज फॉक्स. अभी हमने किया बॉक्स. फॉक्स, प्लूरल ऑफ फॉक्स विल बी foxes. Dakshi, better don't write here. Instead, you write in your book. Next is glass, double S, and in a S, we'll write it glasses. Okay. I hope you understood. I am going to erase this page now because I have to move to the next one. Now on the other side, we have table. I will make the plural here only. Table. टेबल की स्पेलिंग के आगे हम लिखेंगे S, तो हमारा बन जाएगा tables. We have to simply write S. Tables. Watch, CH पे फिनिश हो रहा है तो we'll write ES. Watches. Tomato, O पे खत्म हो रहा है, tomatoes. Room, rooms. Bulb,